How to add gift card to your Walmart app. First of all, obtain the gift card from either a Walmart store or through the online website. Then, prepare the gift card for entry. Now, navigate to the Walmart website in your web browser and sign in with your Walmart online credentials. There, click the My Account button in the top right corner of the website. If you signed in recently and closed the box and came back to the Walmart website to get to the place you should be at. Then, click the gift card or bonus offer balances link from the about the center of the page. Then click the Add a new gift card link from the area just above the label to the section that contains any other gift cards that might have been added to your account in the past that you might have forgotten were in there already. Then enter the card number from the back of the new gift card into the card number field and enter the 4-digit PIN into the PIN field. Then click the Save button. Now verify if the card has been added correctly and has the balance you included at the register showing up in that page displaying all your gift cards. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.